What green card and visa holders should know before traveling abroad. Planning a trip abroad as a green card or visa holder. Before you pack your bags, it's crucial to understand the rules and precautions that can affect your reentry into the United States. Whether you're a permanent resident or a temporary visa holder, international travel comes with specific responsibilities and potential risks. If you are interested in this, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell on upcoming video. Section 1. Understanding your rights and risks. First, let's talk about your rights at the border. Whether you're a green card holder or a visa holder, your immigration status affects how you're treated by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, or CBP. Green card holders, also known as lawful permanent residents, have procedural rights. This means only an immigration judge can revoke your green card status, and you can refuse to answer certain CBP questions or allow device searches without being denied entry, though this might cause delays. Visa holders, like those on student or tourist visas, have fewer protections. Refusing to answer questions or unlock devices could lead to entry denial, so it's important to weigh your options carefully. Recent reports show increased scrutiny at U.S. airports and borders, so preparation is key. For example, travelers from certain countries like Afghanistan, Cuba, or Iran might face extra caution due to proposed travel restrictions. Section 2. Essential documents for travel. Next, let's cover the documents you'll need. Green card holders, always carry your valid, unexpired green card, officially called Form I-551, and a passport from your country of citizenship. Some countries may also require a visa for entry, so check the U.S. Department of State's website for specific requirements. If you're planning to stay abroad for more than a year, apply for a reentry permit using Form I-131 before you leave. This permit shows you intend to maintain your U.S. residency and can be used for up to 2 years. Without it, staying abroad too long might lead CBP to question your intent to live in the U.S. permanently. Visa holders, ensure your visa is valid and carry supporting documents like pay stubs, school letters, or employment contracts to prove your ties to the U.S. if your green card or reentry permit is lost or stolen abroad. File Form I-131A for carrier documentation to help you board a flight back to the U.S. Pro tip: make copies of your green card and passport. Leave one set with a trusted friend in the U.S. and carry another in your luggage for emergencies. Section 3. Avoiding common pitfalls. Now, let's talk about some pitfalls to avoid. For green card holders, staying abroad for more than 6 months can raise red flags. After a year, you risk being seen as abandoning your residency, especially without a reentry permit. If you're gone for over 2 years, your reentry permit expires, and you may need a returning resident visa or SP-1, which requires proving strong U.S. ties. Another big concern is criminal history. Even minor offenses, like a dismissed misdemeanor, can lead to detention at the border. If you have any criminal record, talk to an immigration lawyer before traveling. For visa holders, be cautious about social media. Immigration officials may check your posts for anything suggesting ineligibility, like support for certain political causes. Consider setting your accounts to private before traveling. Quick tip: never sign Form I-407, which abandons your green card, unless you're absolutely sure. If pressured, say, "I do not wish to abandon my permanent residency," and request an immigration attorney. Section 4. Electronic device searches. CBP officers may ask to search your phone, laptop, or camera. Green card holders can refuse without being denied entry, but visa holders risk refusal if they don't comply. Officers are often looking for evidence of criminal activity or immigration violations. To protect your privacy, back up your data, encrypt sensitive information, and consider traveling with a clean device if possible. If your device is confiscated, ask for the officer's names, badge numbers, and agency, and request a receipt. Section 5. Planning for a smooth return. To make your return to the U.S. as smooth as possible, double-check that your documents are valid and not expiring soon. Green card holders with a pending naturalization application should avoid trips longer than 6 months to meet continuous residency requirements. If you need to preserve your residency for naturalization, file Form N for 70 before leaving. For visa holders, carry proof of your ties to U.S., like a lease or school enrollment, to show you plan to return after a temporary trip. And always be honest with CBP officers. Honesty can help avoid detention or denial. Finally, stay updated on policy changes. Check the Department of Homeland Security or U.S. Embassy websites before you travel, as immigration rules can shift quickly. Closing. Traveling abroad as a green card or visa holder can be exciting, but it's all about preparation. By knowing your rights, carrying the right documents, and planning ahead, you can focus on enjoying your trip. Traveling abroad can be an enriching experience, but for green card and visa holders, it requires careful preparation. By staying informed and proactive, you can avoid unnecessary complications at the border and maintain your lawful status in the U.S. Always consult with an immigration professional if you're unsure about your situation, because when it comes to your legal standing, it's better to be safe than sorry. That is all today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then,